everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I have my 15-month no-buy update. I think I said that last time, but it was only my 14-month last time. I was doing, I did my update late, so I was starting to work on my 15th month, but now I have completed 15 months. And yeah, this past month was interesting. I was very tempted, very tempted. And if you saw my wish list tag, you will know what I was tempted by. It was that Too Faced Gingerbread Spice Palette. Oh my God, is that pretty? Oh my God, I was so tempted. I wasn't tempted to actually make the purchase. I was tempted to put it on my Christmas wish list, which is just as good as buying it in December, because I know if I put it on my wish list, I know my husband is going to buy it. Whether he gives it to me or he says it's from my children, I know I would end up with that palette. And I didn't put it on my wish list. I'm not going to put it on my wish list because I was able to dupe it through Clone Wars. And I think I'm good with the colors that I have. They may not be like perfectly exact, but they're pretty daggone close. And I feel good about that. I feel like I don't really need the palette. I might ask for some gingerbread scented candles though, because you know, it's not makeup. I don't have to pan candles. I can just enjoy them, and I can put on the same colors and burn that gingerbread candle and feel like I have the Too Faced palette. That was the only thing that truly tempted me this month. Nothing else is on my radar. I've seen a ton of stuff come out, like a ton of Too Faced stuff come out. And honestly, I just roll my eyes at it. It's the same stuff over and over again. The new releases that come out, they're not doing it for me. I don't know if it's because I've been on this no-buy for so long that I'm becoming a little numb to a lot of the things that are coming out right now. I get the twinges to buy every now and again, and I know you guys know what I'm talking about with that. And it's not for something specific. It's just like, I should be buying. I haven't bought in a while. I should buy something, but I don't really want to buy anything. That Too Faced palette was the only one that like gave me that twinge, and I'm over it. I'm over it. I don't have FOMO or anything like that because I've got the shades. I don't need it. I don't want it. I mean, part of me does want it, to be completely honest, but I don't want it in my collection. I don't want to have to pan it. I don't want to have to store it and all of that other stuff. For a moment, I wanted it, but I don't. I really don't. I can't have it. Not until I finish panning a lot of other stuff. Once I get my collection under, say, 15 years of eyeshadow, maybe. But apparently it's limited edition. I did not realize it was. But hopefully it will not be available by the time I'm able to purchase it, because I don't need it. I don't need it. You don't need it. I'm trying to convince myself. You see that, right? I'm trying to convince myself. I am not going to put it on my list. I'm not going to do it. Nope. Listen to yourself, Jessica. When you're editing this, remind yourself, do not put this on the list. You don't need it. You don't need it. Can you see I'm conflicted? Talk me out of it, people. No, you don't need to, because I don't want it. I don't want it. All right, I'm going to stop. Enough of that palette. Enough. I have a replacement haul for you. Yep. And I know you're going to think I'm crazy and extravagant. Here it is. The first one is more Equate Beauty. Yep. This is the Advanced Nail Polish Remover. And I know what y'all are thinking, but Jessica, your last replacement haul, you got that tub of nail polish remover that you just stick your finger in. I did. And this is another nail polish remover. Turns out I can't stick my toes in that little tub. I can't do it. I didn't even try, really, because no, it wasn't going to happen. So I had to go out and buy like this kind that I can use with a cotton round or a cotton ball, because the toes in the little tubs, not going to work. So I have an extra nail polish remover, but I'm okay with it. It's cheap. It was cheap. This is only a few bucks, and this is big. It's like 16 fluid ounces. I'm good. All right, I got Wild and Crazy. You guys are gonna laugh. I know you are, because you laughed last time I got these. Yeah, I got the Barbie detangler again, the leave-in spray and the kids spray on detangler in watermelon. And yes, I'm the one that uses these. Not my kid, it's me. I use these. I love them. I know you guys think I'm nuts, but I have tried so many leave-in sprays and I don't think that anyone does more for me than another one. So why would I spend a ton of money on one when I can get these at the Dollar Tree and they smell really good? This one's cotton candy, the Barbie one, and obviously the watermelon one is watermelon. Who doesn't want to smell like watermelon or cotton candy? I want to. So that's my replacement haul. Very extensive. I know you're jealous. I know you've been jealous of all of my replacement hauls. I know you have, because, you know, only the elite people can get Equate and Dollar Tree items. I know I'm goofy. I didn't get a lot of sleep, so I'm a little bit slap happy today. So I should apologize for it, but sorry, not sorry. This is just the real me. And that is it for this video. I have done 15 months and I'm going to keep going. I feel very positive about my no-buy, and a lot of other people are getting in on this whole no-buy thing, and I feel like I'm in good company because people are starting to do this with me. I know Amanda's been doing really well with hers, and I'm not sure what date she uploads her no-buy, but I'm sure she's going to have an update soon. So yeah, keep up with your no-buy if you're doing it. If you need to be talked out of anything, let me know. I'll talk you out of it. Or I'll make you crazy and then you won't want to buy anything anyway, because, you know, crazy likes company just like misery. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.